Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how to do outlier analysis, which is finding some exceptional values in your data. So there are three steps to it. The first is fixing the objective of outlier analysis. The second is outlier detection. And third is interpreting why an outlier is an outlier. So let me demonstrate this approach using a music data which is coming from Spotify, and this data has got the music track, it has got the artist name as well as other information such as the popularity of the artist as well as artist followers. Now our objective is to find tracks which are exceptionally good or which are exceptionally bad, and this can help us determine which tracks to promote or which tracks to remove from the Spotify collection. And outlier analysis is perfect for such kind of insights because it can help us determine both exceptionally good values as well as exceptionally bad values. And there are many outlier analysis algorithms, but one of my favorite ones is isolation forest, so we are going to use that. Now this algorithm needs to specify a contamination factor, which is a percentage of outliers which you might expect in the data. And generally it is a good start to make an assumption that there will be 1% of the outlier in your data. Now once you execute this algorithm, each and every record will be flagged as outlier or not, and you can also visualize that it are using a scatter plot. And here you can see that the outliers have been identified, are shown in green color. And you'll also notice that the outlier dots are a bit far from the rest, which also justifies that the outlier algorithm has worked correctly. Now it's also important to understand why an outlier is an outlier. And here we can see a bar chart which summarizes the top reasons which are causing a data point to be an outlier. And here we see that most of the outliers are due to the fact that there are very high number of followers for an artist, as well as there are very high number of tracks. An example of such an artist is Taylor Swift, and this also indicates that outliers can be used to identify some exceptional values, in this case an exceptional artist. But you can also have outliers indicating the other way around, like artists who are not that good. So for example, you can have artists which have very low popularity as well as they are producing tracks which are very, very long. An example of such an artist is Monique, and so you can see that outlier analysis is a very nice way to understand exceptional values, both good as well as bad.